Hey folks, this is Carlos Texas Arcades, bringing you another arcade that we just completed. This one's a brand new theme. This one's a Centipede. Very beautiful theme. You got the lighted marquee with the Centipede graphics, side graphics. There you go, beautiful. And of course the control panel graphics. And yes, you guessed it, that's a trackball. And this is something we wanted to include on the arcades, but we just couldn't figure how to put it in there because, as you know, these things are compact, what we call Bartop arcades. There's not a lot of space in them. That thing, even though it looks small on the outside, it's huge on the inside. That thing is massive, and it takes up a lot of space that we needed to figure out how to put it in there without making this thing bigger. One thing we needed to do is configure the side, the front part of it. Moved some of the buttons. As you can see now, the player 1, player 2 buttons are on the left side, and the volume controls on the right side. That's because of the space that we lost on this because of the trackball. This one, the customer ordered it with the light up joystick. That thing is beautiful. I mean, when you got a dim room or a dark room, that thing lights up like the North Star. And then of course they also put in the light up buttons, which are very, very, very beautiful. This one has the T-molding, which is on red, just like the customer order it. You can get it on any color. We were not sure if it would have looked better with the green or the red. Both of them look good. The red brings out all the red graphics on the control panel, and then on the marquee it just brings them up, and the green also did the same. So it just depends on what you like or what matches your room. Anyways, let's go ahead and start up a game, and of course we gotta do the Centipede. So let's try that so you guys can see how this plays different from the joystick. Of course, you know, you can always play any of the games in here with the joystick, but using the trackball like we're doing here, you actually can move faster and more accurately. You know, with the joystick, you're just basically controlling the joystick where it moves at one speed. So whatever speed you the system tells it to move, it's just gonna move. And with the trackball, you can control how fast or how slow it should move from one direction to the other. So that's why playing Centipede with the trackball, it's just the same as the arcade, so it plays perfect. There's 3 games in the 60-in-1 game board that are meant to be played with the trackball. Centipede is one, Millipede is the other, and Acroid is the other one. You can play these games without the trackball, so don't think that just because you don't have a trackball you can't play them. You can just use the joystick, but as I mentioned before, using the joystick you can only move the little shooter at one speed. So that's the only difference between the trackball. Anyways, this is the way that you can play. You can also use the joystick. Go ahead and use the joystick so they can see that you can still use the joystick to move, which moves at just one speed. It's a little harder to control, correct? Mm-hmm. And go ahead and switch back to the trackball. So you can use either one. We found some other games that are not meant to be used with a trackball that actually they play better with a trackball. So not all the games, this one has a 60-in-1 game board on it. Not all the games will play with a trackball, but most of them do. We found some that are really cool to play with a trackball also. So it just depends on how you like to play, and you can test them out. I mean, if you get the trackball. This is Millipede right here, which is also another trackball game. This one is the second version of Centipede, so it's kind of like Centipede 2. Different play though. I mean, it's got more things on it, more enemies, and the background keeps dropping, so it's not like on the other one that all the mushrooms stay in one place. This one, it drops at a certain time and everything just drops So here it is. It's all done for our customer. This is for Ray. Ray, here's your arcade. It's all done. I'm just gonna make sure that you see what it looks like. This is the midnight black melamine, which is the really dark melamine. It's really beautiful. It came out better than we anticipated. Took a little longer because, again, of the trackball. I mean, it's just a difficult task trying to move everything. But if anybody else is interested in something like that, just let us know, and we can build something like this for you. Okay? All right. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, go ahead and contact us, and we'll go ahead and get you going. Thanks.